Today I brought you this orange zest pepper seasoning. This is another new recipe you can make on your own. Do you sometimes throw away your orange zest? Don't throw it anymore. Today I will show you how you can maximize it into your seasoning. So I'll be dehydrating this zest and I'll be using it for my seasonings. This is after dehydration. You can see it's so dry, very crunchy. Now I'll be blending it on my blender. So this is easy recipe. You can make your own seasoning for your marinade and for your pasta, even for everyday cooking. So here I'm using 1 cup of peppercorn. Remember, it's orange zest pepper seasoning. Okay, here I added dehydrated garlic. And I'll blend it because my blender is full, so I have to reduce it in size. So I will add the remaining seasoning into it. So I added, this is dehydrated onions, so onions flake, and my salt. So add salt according to your taste. So after this video, please watch to the end. You will love it and you will be able to make your homemade orange zest pepper seasoning. Very unique and you will love it. So this is after blending it. I didn't blend it into typical fine powder. It's fine powder but not so much. So it's in between. So now I'll be putting it on my bowl. The aroma is something else, and the seasoning, when I say seasoning, this is pure seasoning. You're sure of what is inside. There's no preservative, no addictive. Everything is 100% natural. Will you be trying this out? Let me know in the comment section. If you try this, I bet you will not go back. You'll start making your own seasoning. This is very easy to make. All you needed is your orange zest and add the seasoning of your choice, the spices you wanted for your own seasoning. So now my seasoning is ready to use. Here it is, my orange zest pepper seasoning. It's amazing. It tastes wonderful. The aroma is something else. Here I'll be storing it on this storage container. So make sure you store it on airtight container, because remember, it has no anti-caking agent. Okay, everything is natural, so you deserve to preserve it on an airtight container. So if today is your first time coming by seeing my video, you are highly welcome. Thank you. This is Glatori. In this channel, you will learn a lot. Please make sure you subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I post my video, you will be among the first to see. Okay? Subscribe, like it, love it, comment, and please share so that others will see. And this is afterwards. You can see my spice is ready to use. So I hope you'll get to try this recipe. Thank you for watching and follow me for more video. Bye.